Hey, what's up, guys? How are you all? So today we are going to see how beautiful Hyderabad is. These places are so unknown. We are exploring unknown places. It looks so nice. This is an unknown place. Okay, this looks like a dense forest. Okay, here we go up. Dude, this place looks so scary. Okay, this is a house in the middle of the forest. Actually, this is not a forest, but it looks just like a forest. Here we go in another road. Woohoo! Okay, this looks just normal, but the trees are so beautiful. Guys, you know what? I like nature. Whoa, dogs are fighting. Yeah. These both were fighting. Okay, here's one more dog. Dude, this place is so far away from my home. But these places look familiar. Okay, guys, there's a huge park here. I think this house or something is abandoned. Yeah, this is the park. Wait. Okay, this is the entrance for the park. Oh, guy, for my father. Say hi.
Everybody.
Yeah. Okay, meet you soon. Okay, guys, we're going there. Okay, there's a skating coaching there. It's a track, and here it's just a basic cricket ground or anything. It's the Ambedkar Stadium. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay. Guys, take a look at this statue. Okay, guys, let's go inside the stadium. It's getting darker, we need to be fast. Whoa, look at that. The stadium is so big, but it's so old. I don't know what to say. Are there more people or less people? Okay, anyways, let's go back. Guys, it's too dark now. Hey guys, he's my grandfather. He gifted me this camera. It's quite dark now. I'll show you next stop, community center. Let's go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, it's me, Pixels by Ryan. Bye bye.